guys, welcome to How It's Fixed. In today's video, we will take out the bumper of 2016 Chevy Cruze. The very first step is we lift up the car because this will help us to make some space and take out the necessary clips and bolts. We then start the takeout process by taking out clips and bolts from the bottom, from right side and then left side, and then finally from the top. So let's jump into this. Here we are using Torx 20 Bit with impact gun to take out 2 screws. From the middle side, you would notice there are 4 clips that we need to take out, and honestly we tried our level best to take these clips out properly, but there was no chance to take these clips out properly. It seems like they have been designed for one-time use only, and in the perfect world, if you're trying to take out the bumper yourself and you end up breaking these clips, don't go hard on yourself. These clips are actually designed for one-time use only. Once the clips are gone, now we jump on to the other side, similar to T20 Torx screws that we need to take out. Now we can slightly pull the car down since the underneath part is done. Jumping onto the corners, 3 T20 Torx screws that we need to take out from the fender liner side. There you would see similar 3 screws from the other side as well, and it's the same process to take these screws out. Now we slightly pull the bumper. We are only showing you one side because the other side has already been taken out due to some sort of accident. Moving on to the top side of the bumper, there is one 10mm screw on one end and the other 10mm screw on the other end. Once the screws are taken out, now we take out the 4 clips from top of the bumper, and they came out pretty easily. We didn't end up breaking any of them. Since all the clips and screws are taken out, now it's time to slightly pull the complete bumper. Here we are taking out the bulb for the side indicator. All you have to do is just twist it and it will come out itself. Followed by the plug for the fog light as well. Now in our case we had a fog light, and in your case you might not have a fog light, so this process is optional depending on the features of the front bumper. Same goes for the other side as well. Slightly pull the corner of the front bumper, take out the side indicator bulb, as well as the plug for the fog light. With that plug, our takeout process has come to an end. We took out the front bumper. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. It will help motivate us making more DIY videos. Here's a section where you can watch our other DIY videos. Feel free to take a look at them, and we will catch you in the next video.